Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and importing your clip. Tap the clip to select it. Once selected, you'll see the toolbar. Choose audio or the speaker icon to expose sound controls. If you need only part muted, split the clip at the start and end points so you target the segment precisely. Make sure your timeline is zoomed enough to place cuts accurately. This prevents accidental trimming and keeps sync intact. Now remove the sound. Tap Detach Audio to pull the audio into its own track so you can delete or edit it. Once detached, you can tap the audio track and press Delete, or drag the volume slider down to 0% if you prefer a reversible mute. If you detached multiple clips, repeat per segment. Once done, scrub playback to confirm lip sync and ambient effects are gone. Make sure to watch the timeline for stray audio clips left beyond cuts. Finish by exporting. Choose Export and keep original or high bitrate settings to avoid new audio artifacts. Once exported, play the file to confirm silence. If you still hear sound, check for other audio tracks, music overlays, or system sounds that might remain. If problems persist, close and reopen Capcut or re-import the original video and detach audio again. Sometimes a quick restart clears UI glitches. Finally, keep a backup of the original file so you can retry without loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.